Hello dear friends, a very warm welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video we are going to discuss a very powerful love spell which does not involve any ingredient. No paper, no mantra reading, no spell chanting, no ayat reading. You need not to do anything. I am the one who is going to give you the complete results. Just follow the instructions diligently, carefully, and once you have done this spell, no one can stop you from getting the results. No one. This is a very powerful spell which will help you to get the results in 7 days. Now how you have to do, this is a very powerful spell which has been taken from one of the Indian ancient books which contains a lot of spells. So if you do it, you would be getting the results for sure. In this spell a left hand is required. That is, you need to use your left hand. For instance, a left hand is required, right? Boys would be using their left hand and girls, ladies or women would be using their right hand. Am I clear with the first instruction? Now second thing, you will be making this symbol, and with this your little finger you will put this little finger like this. No support of the thumb, no support of the middle finger, only 3 fingers are involved. And once you have attained this position, with your thumb you will touch this middle small finger like this. This little finger and your middle finger like this. Now how you have to do it, I am telling you very clearly. Once you have attained this position, you will make the thumb like this and you will touch your thumb by making it straight and speaking your partner's name loudly. For instance, if it is Ishan, so you would be writing Ishan, Ishan. Then your name, Sam, Sam. Ishan, Ishan. Sam, Sam. And your right hand, while performing this activity, it should be on your belly button. This finger should be keep on pressing your belly. Once you are doing it like this, press belly. Doing it, press belly. For middle finger, press belly. Press belly. You are going to do it 786 times. And while doing it, you make sure that this position, that is 3 fingers which are involved, 1, 2 and 3, they should not change their position. You have to do it the number of counts which has been told you, no more than that, no less than that. And if you lose your fingers, then you need to start it again. Second thing, while doing this spell, it should be make sure that there is little bit of fragrance is around you. Fragrance is must. It can be your deodorant, it can be a perfume, it can be of incense stick, it can be of anything, because this is the energy which is going to make your work. After doing it, what you will do, you will go straight forward and will have a bath for 15 minutes. Will wash your belly button continuously for 10 to 15 minutes, and you will do this spell continually 6 days starting from Tuesday. And on that Tuesday there has to be moon, it should not be no moon night. And if you have done it completely properly, no one will be able to stop you from getting the results. If you have any doubt regarding this spell, or you want to know anything, because it's a very simple one, no mantra, no spell, no ingredient, no going anywhere, no going to temple, no burning, no digging, no nothing. Sitting at your home, easy step, you can do it. If you have any doubt regarding this spell, you can feel free to call us on the number which is there on your screen, and we would love to answer your queries. Till that moment, take care, God bless you, bye bye, and don't forget to subscribe this channel for latest updates and notifications.